Hello guys, so another word I am here for today is Vachement. Vachement means again very. You have heard the word tray. There are more such words, but Vachement is again a very interesting word to remember or to use. Different word, Vachement. Say Vachement intéressant. It's very interesting. It's really interesting. Say Vachement intéressant. Remember this word, Vachement. Guys, I'm sure you're liking such different words. Try to use them, try to speak them, and I'm sure this is going to help you. So what is the word? Speak up. Vachement. Subscribe for more, guys. Keep enjoying.